Hello everyone, I am Krishna. I will be your instructor for the week 3 of course Supply Chain Management with SAP Business by Design. In this week, we will have a total of 6 units. Across these 6 units, we will discuss the product manufacturing capabilities of SAP Business by Design. Let's start with Unit 1, Production Process. So, what exactly is production process? In layman's terms, it refers to the process of producing a good. The other most commonly used term for production process is manufacturing process. To enable production process in SAP Business by Design, a set of functions need to work together seamlessly. In here, let's take a look into these functions. The first function is design, which deals with the definition and design of the products. In here, along with the definition of product, user can create variants of the product by working with product properties and product models. User will also work with product designs, which forms the basis for production master data. The second function is specify, which deals with the definition of production process using products, resources and services. Master data objects like production bill of material, production bill of operations, production models shall be created in this function based on the approved designs. Next function is plan, which deals with the planning of the products and resources to meet the demand from forecast and customer orders. This function also deals with the release of firm plans for execution. During this function, planning shall also happen for the components which are required to produce a product as per the underlying production master data. Finally, the execution functions produce and deliver, which deal with the execution of production plans to build the inventory. There will be inbuilt functionalities of inspection, replenishing components, production monitoring to assess the production process execution. In this week, we will go through all these functions in detail. For example, we will touch in detail specify function in Unit 2, plan in Unit 3, produce and deliver in Unit 4, and finally design in Unit 5. Having understood the production flow, let's understand what are the various benefits SAP production process offers. Production is closely integrated with purchasing and planning functions of solution. With the features of material flow and exception handling, it provides planners with comprehensive decision support. Production master data assists in the inventory valuation of the product. It also offers built-in analytics in relation to the stock overview, production confirmations, to name a few. Finally, it offers integrated quality process and integrated batch management. Having understood the production process business flow and the key benefits it offers, let's take a quick look at the key work centers of the solution which are relevant to users from the standpoint of execution. The first one is planning and production master data. As the name suggests, this is the place where user will define the production master data elements like production bill of material, production model, engineering change order, etc. Next one is product data. This is the place where user will define the product and other key elements like product categories. The next key work centers are execution and production control, which are primarily used to work on the transaction data to execute the production plans in order to build your inventory. With that, we come to the end of Unit 1. To quickly summarize, we have understood the following in this unit: production process business flow, business by design key benefits, and finally the key work centers that the user will be working during the course of production. In the next unit, we will discuss production master data. Let's meet there. Until then, goodbye.